Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charger RFID to new billing account, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your EV charger RFID to a new billing account, begin by locating your RFID card and your new account details. Make sure you have access to both your current and new billing accounts. Log into your current billing account on the charger provider's website. Navigate to the section related to account management or RFID settings. Look for an option to manage or transfer your RFID card. Select that option to initiate the transfer process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your new billing account details. Ensure that the new account information is accurate and up to date. Once you have entered the new account details, confirm that they are correct. Proceed to submit the transfer request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the request is being processed. Check your email for a confirmation notification from the charger provider. If necessary, follow any additional prompts or instructions provided there. After the transfer is complete, log into your new billing account to verify that the RFID is now associated with it. If everything looks correct, your transfer is successful. If you encounter any issues, reach out to customer support for assistance. Follow any troubleshooting steps provided by the support team to resolve issues. Finally, test your RFID card at an EV charging station to ensure it works with your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.